Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu everybody. So let's experience the education. So in the last video we have gone through the tags and we have coded as well. So in this video we will go through the HTML attributes. So what is HTML attribute? HTML attribute provide additional information about HTML element. All HTML element can have attributes. एट्रीब्यूट जो होते हैं वो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन को बताते हैं. एट्रीब्यूट हमेशा स्टार्टिंग टैग में स्पेसिफाई होते हैं. एट्रीब्यूट यूजुअली कम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नेम एंड वैल्यू. इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव गॉन थ्रू द anchor tag. So in the anchor tag, this is the name and this is the value. So we call it as attribute name and it is attribute value. So this is the attribute. Now if I go to the image, so image also take the name value attribute. So src is the name from where the image is coming and this is the value. So alt is also name. Edu everybody YouTube channel image is a value. HTML we have gone in the first or second video, I think introduction part we have gone that lang is equals to en. So this actually defines the language and this actually defines the language with the country code. So this is the value and this is the name. Lang is the name and en is the value, and here en us is also a value. The path of the image can be relative, can be absolute. Here we have defined the image, so path can be relative and absolute as well. I hope that is clear. The style attribute, so we have another type of attribute, that is style attribute. So style attribute is used to add style to a tag such as color, font size, weight, border, background, images, etc. Example, if I write h1 tag and if I want to change the color of this h1 tag to red, then I can write style is equals to color red. It will change the color. If we have the paragraph tag and on hovering on the paragraph tag I want a tooltip, so for that I will write here title is equals to Edu everybody. So let's go and code it first so that you can get a better idea. So this is HTML attribute, and I think that I have not told you that how we can save the HTML document. We can save the HTML document with the extension of .html. So first get the boilerplate. How we will get the boilerplate? Type the doc and press enter. So this will give us the boilerplate. Now this is attributes of HTML tags. So let's increase the font size. So what I will write, first I will go to the anchor tag and it will take the image anchor tag. So here I will write the same thing, https://www. Write the Google. Okay, so this is the value and this is the name, attribute name, and this is the value. If I take the another, if I take h1 tag here and I write Edu everybody, and then we have a span tag, as well. If I click on this one, go live, then we will go through the browser. Now it is as you can see, this is Google. When I click on this one, we will redirect to, now we have Edu everybody. I hope this is clear. Now how we will provide the attribute? So we can provide the attribute with the help of a style. So style is the name of the attribute, and what is the value? Value is the color, so color red. Now I want the border is equals to 1 pixel solid green, or let's write here as a 2 pixel. Now you will see that the color of the Edu everybody has been changed to red and it has a border that is of green color, as you can see. I hope you are able to see. So this is all about the attribute. You can provide the attribute. If I want to change the color, then I can change the color to this one. If I want to change the font size, then I can write the 3 rm. Okay, now let's go. As you can see, this has been changed. So we can provide the number of attribute. We will go through in the later videos, because when we learn about the CSS, then in that we will learn about the style. There are 3 types of styles: inline, external, and internal. Then there we will learn more about it. Attributes are the name value pair which we are defined in the starting tag. Okay, so what is formatting tag? So we will go through, or if I correct this one, then I can say formatting tag are the tag which provide the formatting to the content. Let's code it and understand what are the formatting tag and how it will look like. So let's go here. So I have already written here. So this is the next video in web development from E2. E2 means edu everybody. Now we have a strong tag, we have a italic tag, we have a emphasis tag, we have a small tag. Now we have a delete tag, inserted tag, we have a paragraph tag, we have right here mark tag, then subscript, and then superscript. So SUP means superscript, sub means subscript. Let's look at the output of this one so that you can get the better idea. So first is the bold tag. So as you can see, this makes the text bold. Now the second one is strong tag. So strong tag also make your content bold. Now you will think, what's the difference between two? The difference we will learn later in the next upcoming videos. So after the next to next video we will learn about what's the difference between the B and the strong. Both makes the content bold. Okay, now we have a italic tag and emphasis tag. Both makes the content italic. As you can see, both the content is italic, and in that video you will also learn what's the difference between the I tag and the emphasis tag. We have a small tag. So as you can see, this is the content is a small letter. We have a delete tag. So what the delete tag write the horizontal line in front of the कंटेंट. सो हम लोग ने अमेज़ॉन में देखा होगा कि जब भी दिवाली ऑफर सेल आता है तो अमेज़ॉन में लिख जाता है कि पहले जो प्राइस था वो 999 था, सो कट करके नीचे लिख देते हैं 799. सो ये आप इसके तरीके आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ द del tag. दैट मीन्स द इंसर्टेड. सो इंसर्टेड is like this one, underline, a content with underline. Now we have mark tag. So what the mark tag is doing, whatever the content you are writing inside the mark tag, so that will be highlighted in the green part. As you can see, I have written do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to do everybody. So it has highlighted the part. Now we have a subscript and superscript. So let's understood, this is in the power and this is in the base. I hope you are clear. Bold and the italic, bold and the strong tag makes the content bold. Italic tags and emphasis tag bold make the content italic. Small tag has a smaller font size. Del tag has a horizontal line in front of the content. Inserted tag makes inserted tag insert the underline after the content. Mark tag highlight the content. Sub tag put the content in the base. And we have to remember, it is always recommended to use a lowercase attribute. So also you can write here style tag. Style you can write in the capital letter, so it will also work. There is no problem in that. If I will show you, this will also work, but it is not recommended to use the, as you can see, this is also working. So it is not recommended to use the higher case. We have to always use the lower to write the attribute value in double quote. So we can also use the single quote, or if you will not use, then it will also work fine. Let me show you. If I click on this one, it is also working, but it is not recommended. In some situation, when the attribute value itself contains double quote, then it is necessary to use single quote. मतलब क्या है कि जैसे हमारा कोई कंटेंट ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर डबल कोट में है, ऐसे मान लो कि www समथिंग इज इन अ डबल कोट, सो बाहर हमें यहाँ पे सिंगल कोट लगाना पड़ेगा. ओके, अगर ऐसा नहीं है अगर यहाँ पे ऐसा डबल कोट नहीं है, so I will always recommend to use a double quote. Okay, so it's a good practice of coding, we need to follow it. I hope it is clear what is attribute. It's simply a name value pair, and the emphasis tag provide the formatting to the content. I hope this is clear. Now in the next video we will learn about the semantic and the non-semantic tag, and in the next video we will go through the difference between all four of them. What's the difference between the bold and strong? What's the difference between the italic and the em? I hope this is clear, guys. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching this video.